Hello, welcome back to Nicoya Tech. Today we're diving into a hands-on CompTIA Lab situation where we're setting up a workstation in Office 2. This is for you if you're prepping for an IT certification or just want to get comfortable with hardware basics. Now, every video we create is built on hours of effort, a deep love of sharing love, and an unshakable drive to make each one better than the last. If you have found value, if something clicked, helped, or inspired you, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. It's more than just a button, it's a way of saying, keep going. This matters. Your support fuels passion behind every tutorial, every script, and every lesson we share. Thank you for being part of this journey. We have our office layout partitioned into different office spaces. We are interested in Office 2, so we head over to our hardware section and then we are adding a computer, a monitor to Office 2 computer. So we over to the head over to the hardware view section. Mine is a bit hidden because of my editing. So you expand the monitor section under the shelf and drag one to the bench next to the computer. So now that we have a monitor in the required space, what we need to do next is connect the monitor via the HDMI. So how do we go about this? So we switch to the back view of both the monitor and the computer. Now make sure you've switched back. After you've switched back, you're able to access the back view of both the computer and the monitor as shown. Then you go to the shelves and grab an HDMI to HDMI cable from the shelf. So again, my shelf is a bit hidden because of my editing, but you can be able to access an HDMI to an HDMI cable from the shelf. Then drag one end of the HDMI port on the computer and the other to the monitor. Now by doing so, you have your visuals ready. So grab one end of the HDMI to the computer. I've expanded the view so that you can have a better view where the HDMI cable should be placed rightly. And here we go. We are able to drag and put it in the HDMI port. Good. As you have seen, it says it's connected. So next you're going to drag the HDMI port, the HDMI cable to the computer and boom, it's done. It's successfully connected. Now we have our visuals ready. Well, so far so good. We have our visuals now. We need to power the monitor. So this time we power it up by selecting the AC power cable from the shelf and connect the female end to the monitor's power port and the male end to the available wall socket. Yep, with that we are getting closer. Let's plug in the input devices. So we're going to expand the input devices under shelf and drag the keyboard and the mouse to the empty USB ports on the back of the computer. So my shelf is hidden because of the editing, but you can be able to access your shelf with the further corner. Drag the keyboard nicely at the back of the empty USB ports on the back of your computer. Then grab the mouse, position it nicely at the back of the USB ports of your computer. Now we have access to that now and we have control of it. We are going to power on and explore Windows 11. So by plugging in an input device, that is the keyboard and the mouse, we are going to drag the computer keyboard to the empty USB ports on the back of the computer, as well as the mouse to the empty USB ports on the back of the computer. So what you are doing here is taking the cable for the keyboard and dragging it to the empty USB ports on the back of the computer, as well as the mouse cable to the empty USB ports on the back of the computer. So now that we're done, we have control of our system, then we can go ahead to the next phase. So in this final step, you're going to power on everything. You switch to the front view of the computer and the monitor, and then hit the power buttons. So once Windows 11 boots up, right click on the start menu, and head into settings to explore the operating system simulator. Then you return to the hardware view to wrap up. And with that, we are done.